It's Sunday playoffs, and I'm doing a little cooking here. Something a little different for my channel. I kind of do different things, but I got this at the thrift store for 12 bucks, and it's trying to come off there. Yes, it's been washed. But anyway, I made some chili. I used Chili Magic, which some people don't use. It's from scratch. I'm kind of in a hurry. So Chili Magic, garlic, bell peppers, a little bit of white choux corn, 1 can of sauce, 1 can of tomatoes, and a little bit of chili powder, and just a quick thing of chili. It's football day, playoffs. So I just wanted to have a little something and something for work tomorrow. And then over here, I did a pork roast. Cool little, it's a long, flat type slow cooker for lasagnas and stuff. But this right here has got the carrots and a pork loin with baby red potatoes. And I'm going to let that cook down on low. Looks like it's got another 2 hours to go. So, and that's my Sunday cooking. And that'll be ready. And continue to watch some football. So, happy Sunday, everybody.